Have you ever woken up more tired than when you went to sleep? Do you find yourself dragging through the day, downing cups of coffee just to function, only to crash hours later, still feeling exhausted for no reason? If so, you're not alone, and it's not just part of getting older. In today's video, you're going to discover 6 surprising reasons you're always tired and, more importantly, how to fix them. Backed by science, grounded in real-life research, and explained in a way you can apply starting today. But here's the thing. Most people look for energy in the wrong places. We reach for caffeine, sugar, quick fixes when the real causes of fatigue are often hidden, operating silently beneath the surface. And unless you identify them, no supplement or energy drink will ever fix it. So buckle up. The real answers are coming, and they might just transform the way you feel every single day. Because number 1, poor sleep quality. Not all sleep is restorative. You might be in bed for 7 or 8 hours, but that doesn't mean you're getting quality sleep. According to a report from the CDC, 1 in 3 adults do not get enough deep or REM sleep, the stages of sleep responsible for cellular repair, memory, consolidation, and hormone regulation. What disrupts these stages? Blue light exposure before bed, inconsistent sleep schedules, alcohol, heavy meals, and even stress. Without proper deep sleep, your body doesn't recharge. Solution? Set a consistent sleep schedule. Turn off screens 60 minutes before bed. Use blue light blocking glasses or apps. Try magnesium, glycinate, or a calming nighttime routine. Even 15 extra minutes of deep sleep per night can significantly boost your energy and mental clarity. Because number 2, hidden nutrient deficiencies. You can't function without fuel. You may be eating enough food but not enough nutrients. Fatigue is often linked to deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, magnesium, and vitamin D. In fact, studies published in the Journal of Internal Medicine reveal that over 40% of adults are deficient in vitamin D, which directly impacts energy levels, mood, and immunity. Women especially are at risk of iron deficiency anemia, which can cause chronic fatigue, dizziness, and brain fog. Solution: get a blood test to check for deficiencies. Don't guess. If low in B12 or iron, talk to a professional about supplementation. Include foods like leafy greens, legumes, grass-fed meat, and fatty fish. Sometimes fixing just one deficiency can restore your energy almost overnight. Because number 3, chronic stress. Your body thinks you're always in danger. Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a real threat and a to-do list that never ends. When stress is constant, your body stays in a low-grade fight-or-flight state, pumping out cortisol and adrenaline non-stop. This burns out your adrenal system and depletes your energy reserves. Over time, it leads to emotional exhaustion, hormonal imbalances, and poor sleep quality. According to the American Psychological Association, chronic stress is now a leading cause of burnout and fatigue, especially in younger adults. It's not just mental, it's biological. Solution: create micro breaks throughout your day. Try deep breathing, a 10-minute walk, journaling, or guided meditation. Apps like Headspace or Insight Timer are great for short practices. Long-term, cut toxic commitments and protect your peace, like your life depends on it, because it does. Because number 4, blood sugar instability. Energy peaks that crash hard. Ever feel super energized after a meal, then suddenly hit a wall a few hours later? That's blood sugar When you eat too many refined carbs or sugar without enough protein and fat, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. These crashes trigger fatigue, irritability, and cravings. Over time, this pattern can lead to insulin resistance, metabolic dysfunction, and even type 2 diabetes. Solution: every meal should include a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Avoid starting your day with sugar-nosed cereals, sweetened coffees, or white bread. Instead, try a protein-rich breakfast like eggs, avocado toast on whole grain, or a smoothie with protein powder and greens. Stable blood sugar equals stable energy. Because number 5, sedentary lifestyle. The less you move, the more tired you feel. It sounds counterintuitive, but the less you move, the more tired your body becomes. According to research from Harvard Medical School, physical activity boosts mitochondrial function, the energy factories in your cells. Without movement, your circulation slows, your lymphatic system gets clogged, and your body struggles to oxygenate properly. All of this leads to low energy and brain fog. Solution: you don't need intense workouts. Even 20 minutes of walking per day can dramatically increase your energy levels. Add in some light stretching, yoga, or bodyweight exercises. Think of movement as your body's on switch. Once it's activated, everything flows better. Because number 6, emotional fatigue. When your mind drains your body, sometimes tiredness isn't physical, it's emotional. Carrying unprocessed emotions, living in toxic environments, or dealing with personal loss or burnout can manifest as real, full-body exhaustion. And yet, most people don't give this the attention it deserves. Studies show that emotional suppression and unresolved trauma drain the nervous system, weaken the immune response, and worsen fatigue. Solution: prioritize mental health. Talk to someone, whether it's a therapist, coach, or trusted friend. Practice emotional honesty. Create boundaries with people and situations that drain you. Sometimes, the most energizing thing you can do is say no and protect your own peace. Now, let's quickly recap the 6 hidden causes of chronic fatigue and what you can do. Poor sleep quality gives improved bedtime habits. Prioritize deep sleep. Nutrient deficiencies gives get tested. Fuel your body correctly. Chronic stress gives implement stress relief practices. Daily blood sugar spikes and crashes gives eat balanced meals. Reduce sugar. Lack of movement gives move your body. 20 minutes per day. Emotional exhaustion gives honor your feelings. Create healthy boundaries. Here's the key. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about becoming more aware of what's draining your energy and taking small, consistent actions to change it. Even when changed, like getting better sleep or eating a balanced breakfast, can create a ripple effect on your mood, motivation, and physical performance. So now, I challenge you. Which of these 6 causes hit you the hardest? Comment below and let me know what change you're going to make starting today. If this video helped you understand why you're always tired and gave you real tools to fix it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Active Health for weekly content on energy, wellness, and longevity. In the next episode, we'll break down the 5 best natural energy boosters you've never heard of, so stay tuned. Turn on notifications and take back control of your energy. This is Active Health. You weren't born to be tired. You were born to thrive. See you next time.